Yo, everybody. Hey, Simeon here with Aim Higher Photography. Hey guys, I need your help. I'm about to take a trip to Germany here at the end of the month. I have my boys. I have one that's in the Air Force, another that's in the Army. They're both stationed in Germany. So we're going over there right before the holidays up until after the New Year's. I need your help deciding on which camera lens I should take. I love shooting people. People is mainly my thing, not really landscape and stuff like that. But my wife, of course, she's going and she's going to want to get all the stuff in the background. We're going to go to Germany. We're going to go to Paris and all that kind of stuff. We're going to see some of the Christmas markets that they have down there in Germany. I need your help in deciding which lens I should take. Boom. So guys, this here is my Nikon Z8 with the 35mm 1.8. Guys, this is the lens that I think I should take, the 35 1.8. It's going to give me a decent amount of the landscape, and also I'll still be able to get the portraits that I want. You know, there has to be some median, and I think the 35 would be the one to choose. All right, so yeah, I want to be able to get, you know, some nice landscape, be able to get family in the shot and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I think the 35 1.8 would be great. But guys, I have other lenses that I want to show you. Let me move this out of the way. So yeah, guys, look at all these are all the lenses that, you know, I do have, and I want to ask your opinion. Guys, I really do want your opinion. Please let me know which lens you think I should take based off what I've told you so far. I like taking pictures of people with a decent amount of landscape in it. All right, boom. Guys, we have this one here. This is the 20mm 1.8. This is the primary lens that I use when I'm recording video, especially with my Nikon Z9 on the DJI RS4 Pro gimbal. But yeah, I've taken this before when I, early on when I first got it. But yeah, it's a super wide lens. Guys, let me know what you think. If you have shot with a 20mm 1.8 of people, let me know what you think. Should I take this lens? All right, right now I just happen to have the ND filter because, like I said, this is my main lens for shooting video. Okay, but I can take it. All right, it'll give me that nice wide shot, that I am looking for. But guys, you guys let me know what you think about the 20mm 1.8. All right, let's put that off to the side. What else we got? Like I said, we had the 35. We already dealt with that. Let me look at, where is it at? Where's my 50? Where is this 50? This here's the 50. Guys, this here is the 50mm 1.8. Guys, this is an excellent lens. Guys, even though I sold my Nikon Z7 II, this was my dedicated lens that I would always put on the Nikon Z7 II, the 50mm 1.8. Right? If I have to just take one lens, the 50mm 1.8 may be the one, depending on what I'm shooting. All right. But like I said, there's going to be a lot of, landscape, and stuff like that. So I'm really concerned about this. But picture quality, you cannot go wrong with the 50mm 1.8. So guys, let me know what you think about this one. And I can take two. And I'm really leaning towards taking two. And I'm gonna just tell you right now, I'm really thinking about the 35 and the 85. I think that's a good combination. They're not, close focal lengths. So I'm thinking the 35 and the boom. Guys, this here is the 85mm 1.8, an excellent lens for shooting the portraits that I love shooting. I also have the 85 1.2. Here we go. Yeah, 85 1.2, right? Versus the 85 1.8. I am trying to go pretty light because I have a lot of stuff that's already on the Z8. I have the flash. I have the Shinobi 2 BB small rig battery on there. So I'm really not trying to go with something like this, even though this 85 1.2 will get me some excellent portraits, especially in low light conditions with it being a 1.2 versus the 1.8. All right. So yeah, I really don't think the 85 1.2 is even an option at this point. All right. But you guys let me know what you think. All right. We'll put that off to the side. Let's get rid of the 85 1.8. Guys, let me know. Do you think I should take the 85 1.8? All right. Here we go. This is my baby. I'm not going to lie. This is my baby, the Plena. Guys, do you guys have the Plena? Have you ever shot with it? It is an excellent portrait lens. Oh my God. It's just, no matter what, you know what? Sometimes you can kind of confuse other lenses. You be like, oh, was that shot with a 50? Was that shot with a 85? Or was that shot with this? Or, when you look at pictures shot with a Plena. All right. I mean, you just know. I mean, there's just something about it. The Plena is just different. All right. So yeah, the Plena 135 1.8. Should I take it? Should I take the 35 and the 85? Should I take the 50 and the Plena? Right? Guys, let me know what you think about the Plena. All right. Then we have, the 70 to 200. Guys, I got this. I was on a cruise and the guy was like, oh, have you ever shot with the 70 to 200? I was like, nope, but I'm going to get it. It was actually in my Amazon shopping cart. And guys, I do love this. Talk about just candid shots. You know what I mean? Because you could just be so far and just get some nice candid shots of people and stuff like that. Or if you want to just zoom in, you know, if you got some wildlife or something like that, you know, it's all the way up to 200. Yeah, it's not the 400 or 600, nothing like that. But yeah, this is what I have. So 70 to 200 and excellent. I mean, it actually gives the Plena a run for its money, right? I mean, as far as, you know, this is just a little bit more flexible because, you know, you don't have to move as opposed to this one. You do have to move and stuff like that. It can be a toss up. It can be a toss up between, you know, these two. If you don't mind moving, Plena. If you do have an issue with it, go with the 70 to 200. All right, guys, please let me know what you guys are thinking so far. Which lens should I take? Which lens combination should I take? Once again, guys, this is the rig, the Nikon Z8, right? And yeah, it looks a little bit heavy. It's actually not bad, right? It's not bad, right? But yeah, I have the small rig VB99 Pro battery. I have the Shinobi 2 monitor so I can see well. I have the flash on there just in case. I have a GoPro so I can record video, then do time lapse and stuff like that, or time warps when I'm like walking around and all that kind of good stuff. So guys, please let me know what you think. Which lens should I take on this trip? The 20, the 35, the 50, the 85, the, you know, even if you think I should take the 85 1.2, I probably won't. But give me a reason why I should, you know what I mean? Give me something that I haven't thought about. What about the 135 1.8 Plena? What about the 70 to 200? Give me your thinking, all right? I only know what I know. Let me know what's in your brain and, you know, help me out. All right, that's it. Guys, please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Send me with Aim High Photography. I'm out. Yo. Hope I was in focus. I got this doggone camera right in my way, but hopefully, if not, you guys get it. I'm out.